Good day, everyone. I'll be presenting the case of Buenaventura Angeles versus Ursula Torres Calasans, GR number L-42283, March 18, 1985. Facts of the case. On December 19, 1957, defendants appellants Ursula Calasans and plaintiffs appellees Buenaventura Angeles and Duani entered into a contract to sell a piece of land plus 7% interest per annum. The plaintiffs' appellees made a down payment upon the execution of the contract. They promised to pay the balance in monthly installments until fully paid, the installment being due and payable on the 19th day of each month. The plaintiffs' appellees paid the monthly installments until July 1966. On January 28, 1967, the defendants' appellants cancelled the said contract because the plaintiffs failed to meet subsequent payments. The plaintiff's letter with their plea for reconsideration of the said cancellation was denied by the defendants. The plaintiff's appellees filed a case before the Court of First Instance to compel the defendant to execute in the final deed of sale. The Court of First Instance rendered judgment in favor of the plaintiffs, hence this appeal. Issue: whether or not the contract to sell has been automatically and validly cancelled by the defendant's appellants. Ruling: the contract to sell, being a contract of adhesion, must be construed against the party causing it. The Supreme Court agree with the observation of the plaintiff's appellees to the effect that the terms of a contract must be interpreted against the party who drafted the same, especially where such interpretation will help effect justice to buyers. Thus, since the principal obligation under the contract is only 3,920 pesos and the plaintiff's appellees have already paid an aggregate amount of 4,533.38 centavos, the courts should only order the payment of the few remaining installments but not uphold the cancellation of the contract. Upon payment of the balance of 671.67 centavos without any interest thereon, the defendant must immediately execute the final deed of sale in favor of the plaintiffs and execute the necessary transfer of documents as provided in paragraph 12 of the said contract. That's all, and thank you.